What's going on there, people? Today on Drone Maverick, I'm going to show you how to do an orbit with your Phantom 4 Pro Plus Obsidian. Now, the reason why you're probably watching this video is because it's hard to figure out how to do an orbit with this thing. DJI just happened to make it so complicated. It's not intuitive with this particular model, but I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Alright, so one of the first things you want to do is you want to find your target, and I'm using this tree to do my orbit around. You want to make sure that nothing is around. You want to be looking up, seeing, okay, if I do an orbit around this thing, then I'm not going to hit anything, and this is a good spot. So what you do next is you tap on the little remote, you scroll over, point of interest, and what you have to do is you have to fly over the direct center of where your target is. You want to have the camera facing straight down, and there's a center, and then you want to go ahead and hit apply. Now you see the radius. As you begin to move back, the radius, and I'll tell you when is a good. So okay. So now this is the radius for your orbit. Set your return to home, altitude, whatever. Then you hit start. And it gives you these options, how to control the orbit, but this is going to be completely all by itself. You won't have to do anything. So you hit OK. And then guess what? You can adjust the speed, and look, it's starting to orbit. Now that you know how to orbit this thing, it doesn't give you the option to suddenly start taking pictures. So what you have to do is you have to hide it, go to your pictures or video, and then you hit record, and now you're recording your orbit. This is like the dumbest way DJI could have ever made this up. I hate the way that this is all set up, but this is how you do an orbit. You have to find the center point, you have to have the camera pointing straight down, then you need to back up 20 feet, then you hit go, you have to hit the hide button. Alright, so my SD card just got full, and we're gonna stop it. Okay, and then we're gonna bring it back home. Okay, so there you have it. Now you know how to do an orbit with your Phantom 4 Pro. If this is the first time you've seen this channel, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification to get all my videos, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next video.